Hi, I'm John Porter, and this is my 1948 CJ-2A. Brought it here to the 60th anniversary of Easter Jeep Safari. And we had a great time in this thing on Monday, cruising around. Tuesday we went out, and it started running a little bit poor. Wednesday it got a little worse. Took it out today, and we had to turn around and come back because it was running so poorly. With the right friends, Mr. Péwé showed up, and within like 3 minutes...
Well, I just hope it's not that janky electronic condition. Oh, gosh. 1 or 2 wires going to the distributor.
Looks like 2.
Okay, I can't feel it, but what's this?
Yeah.
It's a restriction.
Those are
What carburetors?
It's got a BX-1. Let's check the firing order, because...
Okay. Well, yeah, these are wrong. Never tie wrap them together. They arc between themselves. You gotta have space.
That's the space. Yeah. All right, well, we'll start there.
Yeah.
It was purring like a kitten for weeks.
Can you tell which one that is?
3.
Okay. Then...
This one looks weird to me.
Oh!
I reckon this looks weird.
Here, too. This should probably not be easy to fall out.
You want to spread that a little bit?
It should be. I mean, it just literally fell out.
Let's check how tight that pickup fits on the electronic ignition.
Yeah, but advanced wouldn't cause popping and spitting. Valves would.
Valve split? Yeah, they're hanging open. I must think the valves were out of... Yeah, they're spit. When you checked it? Yeah, but I got them all locked in 14.
14 seems real tight to me, but that's okay. It's on work.
This is...
Ted? You know,
I'm going off the information it says. I do them all at 16.
Yeah.
Do you really?
14's pretty tight.
As they quiet down, they run worse. You want it clackety clack clackety. Really?
Yep. All right, give it a try.
Yeah, everybody clear?
Neutral.
Neutral.
Whack it. Trying to fix this Jeep has had trouble for 3 days. Let's see how it works.
Yep. We brought out the 48 to celebrate the 60th Easter Jeep Safari. We tinkered with it a little, made it worse. But today, Rick touched it and it started running great. It is a different beast right now. This is not the Jeep I was driving earlier today. This is fantastic.